Good morning everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. Today we're gonna cover Bitcoin as always guys, and why I believe that we still can see a little pullback before we head towards new all-time highs. And of course we're gonna have a look into some altcoins guys that I'm buying up right now because it's definitely altcoin season guys. We are seeing a nice big trend with those meme coins and altcoins of course. So we're gonna have a look into that. Welcome everyone. I'm just waking up right now. I'm having a nice cup of coffee with you. So let's enjoy a little bit of a break, and also maybe let's adjust a little bit the camera here. It's a little bit offset like this maybe. Yeah, better, right? All right, guys, let's start here in the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, of course, and also into new upcoming coins, guys, because currently we are seeing definitely a nice altcoin season. Whenever Bitcoin is going sideways or down, and the altcoins are still continuing to pumping, that is, in my opinion, the definition of an altcoin season, because whenever the trend is to the upside, especially also whenever Bitcoin is then making the next big step up, then of course we are seeing big explosive moves in the altcoin space, guys. So we're gonna have a look into that. Probably also gonna do some dedicated videos about different altcoins and meme coins, because they deserve dedicated videos, since a lot of things to cover that we cannot put everything into only one video. So welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. Our crypto community is rising every day, and of course also check out the latest, newest cryptos that I'm buying up right now. We have some new ones that I'm buying, like Meme Clip and of course token 6900. This is the current one that everyone is buying up, and so on. Then also sign up to the best exchanges in the crypto space, at least in my opinion. As you can see here, Bybit, Phemex, Binance, and so on. And also follow me in my other social media platforms like BitChute, Odyssey, X, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram. Also BitChute and Odyssey, guys, give it a try. Those are kind of new YouTube websites, completely censorship free and so on. So check them out, guys. I like also to upload over there. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude here on YouTube sharing all my ideas, my own TA, my own expectations and price predictions and so on. So it's all for entertainment only. And of course, I'm just sharing everything with you guys since 2017, and so far we have been doing great, of course. So let's dive here straight into the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, because after this nice bounce and this push to the upside, if you traded with my indicators, you should have done some nice profits with this move. And I told you that the next upcoming pump, I'm not trusting it 100% because of some things that are going on the higher time frames, like the daily, and of course also because of the CME chart. I told you that I think that most likely we are first coming down to close the CME gap at 114k before we head higher. And this is, in my opinion, what is happening right now, because we have seen a push to the upside, but we couldn't go through this previous little support and now new resistance right here. So as long as we don't have 4-hour closes back above, let's say 20k, I believe that here we could see a lower high and come back down to probably close that CME gap at around 114, 115k before eventually then we gear up to new all-time highs again. So short term, I still believe that this CME gap will get filled. Also over on the daily time frame, you can see we have now sell signals in extreme overbought condition. We have different indicators crossing down now. So I believe that most likely we are coming back down. Also money flow is decreasing a little bit, and I think we're just gonna need a little reset here. Also the daily closes aren't anymore above the top side of the Keltner channels currently at exactly our resistance here, $119,300. So also here I believe that in the next coming days we could see something like this, that we slowly are coming down to close also that CME gap, and then but most likely bounce and yeah, continue the bull run, because we are overall bullish, guys, of course, and we expect here new all-time highs. We have to keep a close eye into the weekly time frame, because also the weekly time frame is of course looking a bit toppy. But as long as we don't have here serious sell signals and indications that we are in here for a massive corrective phase, the uptrend continues. And Bitcoin can even come all the way down to $100,000 and still remain in an uptrend. So that's why long-term bullish, but short-term, I think we're gonna struggle here a little bit before we're most likely gonna see new all-time highs. Only if we would see daily closes back above 120k, then I think no more pullback, but straight towards new all-time highs, because the next major resistance, in my opinion, will be incoming somewhere up here at around $145,000 per Bitcoin. And the cool feature right now that we have thanks to this nice Bitcoin new all-time high that we had recently here at $123,000, is that finally Ethereum also is waking up. So look at Ethereum, guys. Ethereum finally is breaking through all important resistance levels. I told you down here when we were fighting with this resistance at $2,800. Once Ethereum is breaking to above $2,800 on a weekly base, I expect that Ethereum will go straight away towards the next resistance at $3,200, also break it, go to $4,200, and most likely also here break it and go to new all-time highs, most likely, because this is really the last resistance here at $4,200 before Ethereum will go to insane high levels. And that's why right now I still expect that Ethereum will reach at least 5 digits in this bull run, so at least 10k, probably even higher than that. I still expect that Ethereum should be trading somewhere up here and not down here at $3,300. And because of Ethereum, we are seeing also many other altcoins right now also breaking out to the upside. Even Trump coin is pumping. Let's see if this one can break this resistance here, but there are other coins that are looking more bullish. For example, Pepe is also breaking out here to the upside. We have also Dogecoin breaking out to the upside from this falling resistance line here that we had also here in early 2024. Everywhere the same structure, we're breaking out to the upside. Some coins are pumping more, some less. Also XRP coming now very close again to the highs here that we had at the beginning of 2025. So I believe that also all those coins, they will do great right now, and that's why I'm buying up also into completely new coins. The list is getting bigger and bigger, guys. There is also now this meme clip that I also bought here. This is a completely new GameFi coin that is upcoming, but otherwise you can see that most of the times those meme coins or purely meme printers like SPX 6900 are doing great, of course. And also now in one day or the last 7 days, this one is up 20%, in 1 month 25%, 1 year 8,500%, and if you calculate it like from the ICO, then you can see the gains that people have done with this meme coin. And we have the successor already. It should be this token 6,900. Also in this one I'm buying in, guys, and you can see if you connect here your wallet, you can see that right now also the staking rewards are going down. I'm still buying with staking, of course, because I want to accumulate as much as possible before the launch, and here 94% of course gives you also some nice staking rewards. As you can see here, I have accumulated now around 10% from my initial investment, and of course you can buy more. You can also buy without staking and so on. And token 6,900 is now also mentioned in different crypto websites because we are seeing the meme coins like Bonk rallying very strong. And that's why I think that not only those meme coins, but also those new upcoming low market cap coins like token 6,900, they have great upside potential. Of course, we also have others like Snorter, this new Solana trading bot that will come out, also very hyped, or Bitcoin Hyper, a new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. Many new projects are coming out, guys. And at the end, it doesn't really matter if they're going to be successful or not. If people are trading them, then of course here also we can invest and be part of these new upcoming cryptos. And they raised over 3 million, guys. So I think that Bitcoin Hyper will become the next big thing, like we have seen also in previous pre-market coins, because also this Bitcoin Hyper not only is raising more and more money, much more than the others, but also the staking rewards are still high, around 300%. And also you can see on most websites, Bitcoin Hyper now also surpass all the other upcoming coins like token 6,900 and so on. Probably because Bitcoin, of course, is still the king, and everyone is hoping for a good layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. Bitcoin Hyper will be then also one of the many layer 2s. Maybe this one will be better, we will see. But I'm buying in, and you can also do that, guys. And if you want to get on board, all those links to those coins here, token 6,900, Bitcoin Hyper, Snorter, and so on, you're gonna find them here linked in the video description. So stay tuned and watch out for that, guys, because I think that we're gonna see big moves in those coins, and I'm very bullish for all of them. Maybe also give it a try for Pepeto, guys. I know that this coin is also going on for quite some time, but the difference about Pepeto is that this one really wants to bring first out their own exchange and then later on the coin. So this one is not like bringing first out the coin and then the product. They first want to launch the exchange and then also the coin itself. And I know this one is running for a very long time, but I am still very bullish, and I think that maybe they're waiting just for the best time to come out, and they are doing some updates here based on their X account, so they're very active at the moment. I think they really are pressing hard that this one will come out, hopefully. And also the community is quite big here, so really a lot of people are waiting here for the big launch, and good news here for Pepeto. So we will see. We have many new upcoming coins, guys, but yeah, I'm buying into all of them. If you want to be following me, links of course are here in the video description. So stay tuned, guys, be subscribed, and we're gonna do probably some more update videos on altcoins in separate videos, because yeah, also right now I think it's a good time to be invested into those altcoins, in my opinion. And of course also I'm gonna give you some selections that I have here. If you don't want like to buy into all of them, it's impossible to buy all of those altcoins that are looking good, but at least into the tier ones and also new low market cap coins that have great upside potential, we should give it a try. Alright, guys, let's see what happens. At the moment I'm not in a trade, I'm waiting for a good trading setup. I mean, Bitcoin here is really in a critical point, also based on the RSI on the weekly time frame. And yeah, in my opinion, we're gonna go parabolic here to the upside, but expect a high volatile moves both to the upside and downside, especially if you're trading, for example, here on Maxi Global or Bybit with leverage. So stay tuned, guys, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.